So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal weekly tarot card, Osho's and tarot card reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 12th till the 18th of August. And these are, I'm going to take one card for each day, and we are going to take it as messages or guidance or warnings, whatever you feel like. Okay, you can watch this video one day at a time, like you can watch it as like for Monday and Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, like that, or you can watch this video for the whole week at once, and then you can come back to the video after 1 week, and then you can let me know if this was resonating and it was making sense to you, so that we can make this videos weekly and keep it going every Sunday. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Leo. Okay. Adjusting. Let's see. Okay. So transformation, 12th of August, transformation. You are going to be very powerful, in a very powerful energy. You are going to have all the tools and all these energies of what you like to transform and change yourself from inside out. Something in you is shifting big time, and you are feeling this change within yourself. You are feeling this energy of transformation within yourself. The more you're shifting, the more you're changing, the more you're becoming silent, or you should. If you're not becoming silent, if you're becoming more restless, and if you're becoming more in this energy of, oh my god, I should do this, I should do that, I should do this, I should do that, be silent, remain silent, and just go inside of you, talk to yourself, talk to your energies, because a major transformation is going on. And when you are going to be in silence, you are going to get a lot of answers out of nowhere, because this transformation is something major, something huge, something big. You are, it's a rebirth kind of energy. You are no longer the same as you used to be, and you are never going to be the same as you used to be after this point of time. Okay, something in you is changing big time on 12th of August. On 13th, we have silence. Okay, this is also a major arcana card. So the more you are going to be in silence, the more you are going to find the answers of your problems, of your issues within yourself. The more you are going to get the answers very loud and clear, and you are going to get more and more intuitive with each passing day. You are going to get more and more clarity with each passing day, and you're going to get your answers very loud and clear. You are going to get the solutions to the problem that you are facing very clearly. Okay, on the 13th of August, the more you are going to be with yourself, the more you are going to try to find the answers and solutions outside of you. It's going to be difficult for you. The more you are going to go inside and try to find your answers within yourself, it is going to be very easy for you and very smooth for you. Okay, 14th of August, we have the sorrow. Okay, on 14th of August, you might find yourself in this position of detachment from everything and everyone. You might feel you're lonely, you're sad or depressed. This is a monk. Okay, so this situation is telling us that even if you're a monk, even if you're a spiritual person, from time to time you can feel that loneliness, you can feel the sorrow, you can feel that nothing is working out in your favor, nobody cares for you, nobody loves you. It's not like that. If you can just get up and get out of this window, this gate, this door, you are going to find your happiness again. All you have to do is to connect with the divine. See, this person is not looking at the divine, not looking at the door. So basically, you have choices. You have choices. You have energies that are around you who can help you to get out of this sorrowness, this sadness. But you are choosing this energy of to remain in this sadness or depression for some reason. It's just a minor arcana card, but you might feel a little bit of sad or depressed on that day. So for that day, the guidance here is to go out and connect with people, connect with the universe, and you're going to find the solution. You are going to find this energy of, okay, it's not that bad, that I was making it by you might be making something worse by overthinking about it, but you can just come out of it by going out and by having fun with other people, by connecting with other energies and connecting with the universe basically. Okay, how to connect with the universe? Go out, go on beach, um, go like watch stars, or like go in a garden, do whatever you feel like is right for you in your from your side. 12, 13, 14, 15. Guidance, yeah. On 15th of August, you are going to get some kind of guidance in your dreams. or some kind of synchronicities, or you are going to get some kind of written messages somewhere, and you are going to feel like, oh my god, I was trying to get guidance, or I was trying to get answer for a particular situation, and you are going to get it out of nowhere. You are going to get the guidance in some way, shape, or form. It will be like your angels, your spirit guides around you, guiding you in a direction, and you are going to feel like a aha moment kind of a deal. Like, okay, I was trying to find answer to this situation or this thing, and finally I found it out of the blue. See, on 14th you're going to feel like what the hell, and on 15th you're going to feel like, okay, I got it. See, on 16th we have this projections. Okay, so you will be able to see people, things, and situations for what they are. The illusions will be falling, the mask will be falling, or you should see people, things, or situations for what they are and who they are, instead of making your own images or own illusions or own delusions, like, okay, this person is not like that, the situation is not like that. See people, situations, and things for what they are and who they are, instead of making your own meanings, because it's going to hurt you only or harm you only afterwards, Leo. Okay, for some of you, you will be able to see through people. If not, if you are finding yourself in this illusion or delusion, like, okay, this person is not like that, they might be behaving like this just for the day or something, don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, just try to see people and things and situations for what they are and who they are. Okay, cool. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 17th we have the possibilities. Okay, on the 17th of August, even if you're going to feel like, okay, there's no way I'm going to get something done, or there's no way I'm going to get out of a problem, out of a situation, you are going to find possibilities to get out of a situation. You are going to find yourself in a position where you are going to get some kind of chances to improve a situation, or you are going to get this kind of energy of, yeah, there's still hope. Even if you're getting hopeless in a situation, the universe is going to give you some kind of hope in a direction, or show you some kind of path, or show you some kind of direction in a situation. And even if it is going to feel and seem like impossible to achieve, you will be able to achieve some kind of success in that direction. All you have to do is to trust the process, trust the universe, and keep going. Try to keep trying and keep trying, because there is still a possibility for a situation to improve, or for a situation to go in your favor. For the 18th of August, we have the patience. You have to be very, very patient, Leo. It's very it's very difficult for a Leo to be patient, but your patience is going to be tested by the universe in some way, shape, or form by on the 18th of August. So the more you are going to be patient with yourself, the more you are going to be patient with your situation, the more you will be able to get out of a situation with ease, with smooth kind of energies, no matter how difficult or how impossible a situation looks to you know solve. It might get resolved with time, but a lot of patience is required from your side. That is the deal. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.